What is that?
A new teddy. And this too.
Oh, look. Look at my stylish new bumpet.
Sissy got a real bumpet.
This too.
What's that?
A new teddy.
Wow.
And this is a
That's the kind of teddy you put together yourself. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like a Build-A-Bear.
Yeah.
Like the Build-A-Bear workshop.
I always wanted this.
You did?
This is from Build-A-Bear Workshop.
Did you open your present
I
for
got
Santa?
it. Build-A-Bear.
What did you get?
Build-A-Bear Workshop.
Farmer's Brando shirt.
Let me
Cool.
see.
See, I got it. Build-A-Bear Workshop. I got this
Will
one
you turn on the
too.
light in there?
Has
The
stickers.
white is both the workers.
This will keep you nice and warm, Daddy.
A sweater.
What,
That's a sweater.
for Daddy.
It smells like shampoo.
Okay, everything has a smell this year.
Apparently it does.
What is that?
Video. Okay,
A Kylan game? For Leapfrog?
no.
Hey, that's the cover to Daddy's shirt.
This one is
That was nice, Sissy.
Is that for you too?
yeah.
It does.
What's that?
What's that?
I don't know.
Bet you're excited? That's a Leapfrog a Tag Junior. It'll help you read. What did you get, Sissy?
I don't know either. I know those are chopsticks, so I don't know what those are for.
You don't know what those are for? They're dipping
Look.
bowls
Oh,
for your soy sauce.
you mean dumpling stuff?
For your soy sauce.
It's
Yeah.
tagged. It's
That's soy sauce.
tagged to your-
Okay.